Welcome to David Thompson campground dito sa may Abraham Lake.
Approaching David Thompson Resort.
Ganda.
We are entering the campsite of David Thompson Resort. Look at the view. There's a Rocky Mountain on like the background of it.
Yeah, you see?
Nice, see?
Where is our campsite? Where can we...
Now we have to stop by here at the reception area and then
so
get
nice.
our pass key.
Oh, we have the key?
Maybe you should park in here on this side.
You have arrived.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, so nice. This is so nice. I love the place. Oh.
Let's go to the reception area. I think the reception area is right there. Where the flag is. This is a gasoline station, a restaurant.
Okay, let's go one more there. Okay, let's go over there. Alright guys, there's a lot of tourists here. Bass Pro,
It's nice. It's our first time here.
Yeah, it's first time here.
Not bad. Oh, there's lots of activities going on.
Conquest.
Right.
Oh, there's a restaurant here. See?
Oh, they have playground too. Look at that.
Golf
for kids.
Golf
It's
kids.
nice.
Alright.
Yeah. Looks like same campground with KOA.
Oh, here's the office.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, we're gonna park somewhere here.
No exit.
Where do you park?
I don't know.
There's no turning.
Oh, no exit. OMG. I don't know.
Where are you going?
Wait. Yeah, we have to go there. No exit. That's okay. Let's go get the...
Oh, the campground is right there. If you go straight.
This is so nice. I like this place. Okay.
Let's go to the reception area.
Go talk to the office. Oh my god. Yeah, don't worry. Oh my god.
Ito siguro di campsite eh.
Look like Haggard. Oh.